Hello everyone, welcome back to the interview hack by Python Academy. So today we are going to learn about shell sort algorithm. So for that we have taken one array here. Suppose we need to sort the following array. In the first loop, if the array size is n equals to 8, so we have taken here 8 size array. Then the element lying at the interval of n by 2 which is equals to 4, and we have to compare and swap if they are not in a order. So the zeroth element is going to be compared with the fourth one. So the zeroth element is greater than the fourth one, then the fourth element is first stored in temporary variable, and the zeroth element which is greater here is stored to the fourth position, and the element stored in temp is stored to the zeroth position here. So we can see here likewise 9 and 5 is going to be swapped, and 5 is going to be stored in a temp because it is less than 9, and 9 is going to be stored in a fourth position. After that 5 will be stored to the zeroth position here, and the same operation we have to perform with all elements here, like an 8 with 6, 3 with 4, 7 with 1, and so on. So after performing this operation, still our array is not getting sorted, so we have to apply next step. So in the second loop, an interval of n by 4 which is 8 by 4 equals to 2 is taken, and again the element lying at this interval are getting sorted. So here 5 is going to swap with 3 here, 6 is going to be swapped with 1 here. So same operations we have performed with every element here, like an 1 after swapping with this, when we is going to be swapped with 6, and 6 is going to be swapped with 8 here. Same 5 with 9 and 9 with 4 here. Same 4 with 5 and 5 with 9. After performing these operations, still our array is not getting sorted here. So finally we have to apply our last interval, which is n by 8 which is equals to 8 by 8 equals to 1. Then the array elements lying at the interval of 1 are sorted. We can see in our next picture, like, and 3 is going to be sort with 1, 1 is going to be sort with 3, 3 is 4, and so on. We have to apply our 8th element. So we can see that here after performing every element, our array is going to be sorted, like likewise 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 here. So this one is the syntax to use a shell sort algorithm. Like in shell sort, we have to take our array and its size here. After performing with each interval here, our array is going to be get sorted, and after that we have to end our sort here. So this one is a, let's see the program for the same. Like, and we have defined shell sort where array and size of array we have taken here, and uh, we are going to arrange all the elements with the help of interval here. So interval, first interval will be n by 2 which is n mod 2, and after performing while loop we are going to sort our array step by step with the help of interval n by 2, n by 4, and n by 8 here. So for I in range interval comma n, we are taking our interval, and the value which is lower is going to be stored into temporary variable here, and after that it will be shifted to that position. Same with the j variable also. J is greater than or equals to interval, and array j minus interval which is greater than temp here is going to be stored in j's position. So after performing every interval, we are adding our array here 9 8 3 7 5 6 4 and 1. So after performing this value, we will get our sorted array. So after running this program, we can see that our array is going to be sorted in ascending order. So this kind of shell sort algorithm is going to be worked here.